So here we're using Python, and we're going to be importing hashlib, which is going to support the SHA 256 hashing algorithm that's going to be used in this program. This is just a simple Python script designed to calculate and verify the SHA 256 hash of a file, and thus assisting us in validating its integrity. So the core functionality of our script is basically to create a hash for a file or check a hash against a file. So what I'm going to do is first create a hash for a file. So I'll hit the option 1, and the exact path I've pre-created, and I just called it hash.txt, and it'll create us a hash. So I'm going to copy this because we're going to need that here in just a minute. And to be on the safe side, I always keep something open just to kind of keep a note in case I lose my clipboard. And then what I want to do is show you the contents of this file. So in our file right now, before we created the hash.txt file said the contents of this file should not be changed. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take out the word not. Hit Control S on my keyboard to save the file, and then I'm going to run my program again. So let's go ahead and run the program again, and I'm going to just check a hash against a file. So option 2 this time, and it's still saved in the same place. When I changed it, I didn't change locations at all. So I'll just use that same file path, and this time I'll go ahead and paste that hash that we generated just a few minutes ago. And now we see hashes do not match. This file might be tampered with. Okay, so now let's try something else. Let's go back to our file. So let's go back to our file and type in exactly what we had before. So put back the word not, re-enter the word not, save our file, run our program, and we're going to check it again. So now we're going to go to, and we're going to use the same path again, and put our same hash value in. Now it says the hashes match. So as long as the file itself hasn't changed, the hash should match. If the file has been changed in any way, then that hash will no longer match, and that's your indication that the file might be corrupted or that there's something else wrong with its integrity. So thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please leave a comment below if you have a particular cybersecurity topic you'd like to see next. As always, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video. My name's Dr. Secure, and thanks for watching.